Alright guys, so this is my chair. This is one of the best investments I've ever had. So this chair folds up like a tripod, so it's much easier to carry when I put it in its bag, and it's just amazing. It's very sturdy. I've had it for years. So this is my big chair, makeup chair, and then I bought this extra little light, so I'm kind of testing it out to see. It just clips on, so it's just something, and I just need like a better light source that's close to my client's face, especially when doing eyelashes. I wanted to create a nice eyeshadow. So this is a setup here. Let me show you guys. Let me try to flip you guys around. So I actually use this light too. Hey. For application as well. I'll see if I can grab you guys and see if you guys can see. So, all right, so this is from a different angle. So I want to show you guys how my setup looks. So this is the chair here. And then with this chair, I have extra stuff. I can put like extra storage stuff here. And then I have my light, my little light that I'm testing out attached here, which is really nice. Then I have my ring light over here, which is a nice source, an extra lighting here because you want to have as much lighting as you can. So this is my little setup. So again, I have my little trash can, my tissues, my makeup remover, my eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using and working. And then I have my kits right over here. Everything is there that I need. So again, a little bit better close-ups. I have all my foundations. My color corrector is right over here. My concealers and more foundations, my setting powders. This is, again, my blush and both of my lip products here. 2 other makeup palettes here. And then I have my eyebrow palette as well, and again my other eyeshadow palette, my highlighter here. I have both of my setting powders here, all of my eye products, so like my curler, my gels, and my eyelashes. Then here again we have some extra stuff, so just like Hollywood tape, and then my sharpener, my transformer, you know, wipes and stuff like that, and a lot of my other products here. So my makeup remover, my color corrector, my little lotion, face primer, my hand sanitizers, which is very important, my setting sprays, and my brush cleaner and alcohol. Then we have all of our fun utensils over here. So we have eyeliner brushes, brow brushes, mascaras are down here, liquid liners. I have lip pencils here, dark to lighter. Then I have some lip glosses, or like maybe these are different names. Lip gloss, well, it's from MAC, so it's the same thing. And then I have my pencil, I'm sorry, my scissors. And then over here I have the 2 that I usually use the most. So these are my primers. So my eye primer and then my lip primer here. I have my little sponges here ready to go, my brush cleaner, and then here are my 2 little hair clips. Then my brushes over here, all been taken care of, my wands, my lip disposables, and my other utensil and disposable stuff here. So yeah, this is pretty much my setup here. As you guys can see, I know it's kind of crammed. Oh yeah, I forget my fan. My little fan and my big fan, because you know I always get really hot, so I like to have a little fan hitting me. So this is my setup right now. Here in my little office / workout area, and that's where I work from work too, work from home. So I kind of crammed in and just took as much as I could. So yeah, do what you can. And then this is kind of a similar setup to when I have clients as well. All right, so I'm actually testing out my own makeup chair, which I've never sat in before, so it's actually really interesting to be the client, that's all. And I'm trying to see how this this ring light works. So let's see, it looks actually, it's small, but it looks like it actually is gonna be a nice addition to my makeup application. So pretty much how I showed you guys how I set up at home is how I set up when I go to a client's house as well. Sometimes, actually not just at a client's house, but you're going to go to a different location that's not your own home or your own office, right? So you want to make sure that you have everything that you need in a small area. So that's why I wanted to have a makeup kit that I have now, because I have everything that I need just right there instead of having bags and having everything being displayed everywhere. Because when you go to a different location, at times you might have a very small space to use, and so you need to make sure that you have everything there instead of running around here, running around there. I need to get this makeup palette here, I need to grab this brush from this side. I like to have everything in my arm's reach, and you know, you don't have to have a lot of stuff. You just need to know how to utilize it for different types of applications. All right, guys, let me know if you like this type of videos. Trying to get back into it. It's been like 3 or 4 years since I've actually posted anything either on here or on YouTube. Actually, mostly on YouTube. Let me just get that on YouTube itself. So I've missed the tutorials and makeup tutorials, even my fitness tutorials. Let me know if you guys want to see more of this stuff. I'm kind of interested in more in showing you guys what I have, like type of products I have, type of brushes I use, more of my setup and stuff. And then also, if you guys want to see how I work with the clients, I can totally do that too. How I set up when I'm going to a client's, or you know, not their house, but like a different location as well. Because when you're a makeup artist, you are going to different locations, so you have to know how to adapt. And it provides a lot of stuff, so it's always good to just be flexible. So yeah, I always say be flexible, you know, carry as minimal as you can. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. If you want more of these type of videos, I would definitely do my best to keep doing these type of videos and going back into my content. Even like uploading more makeup tutorials back on YouTube, or just in, you know, Instagram Reel. But yeah, let me know if you guys want more content. If you want more in-depth about my makeup kit, what products I use, how I actually, you know, start to finish on a client, so I can totally show that to you guys as well. And show you guys how I have my website, how I created my business cards and everything. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more of that content. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.